Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor latest version on Kali Linux 2025.1c. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Open any web browser. Also verify whether we have the Sublime Text Editor comes as pre-installed application or not. Search for sub. So you don't have Sublime Text Editor. Okay. Now go to Sublime Text Editor official website, that is sublimetext.com. Then click on download, then select Linux repos. Then for Kali Linux you have to click on this apt. See, these are the commands to install Sublime Text Editor. So first install this GPG key. Copy this entire command, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Now see, here we have two versions, stable and development. So always recommended to install stable version. Copy this entire command, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages and install Sublime Text Editor. Sudo apt update. Now install Sublime Text Editor. Okay. Sudo apt get install Sublime text. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor. Okay. Now go to applications, then search for Sublime. See, here we have the Sublime Text. Click on it. See, you got the Sublime Text Editor. Go to help and about Sublime Text Editor. See, this is the build number, that is 4192. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor on Kali Linux 2025. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.